Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss about some important ETL questions and answers here. So I'm going to make recent videos like about interview questions and answers because actually whenever we want to face in interview, we want some questions and answers, okay, ready made like that. If we know almost all questions and answers, it's very easy to face the interview. So keeping that in my mind, I'm just making videos about ETL testing. Okay, so uh, just you refer me my videos and follow my videos, so you'll get a chance to crack the interviews. Okay, so these are very important questions and answers here. So the first question is, uh, what is okay so what are the testing procedures included in ETL? Okay, what are the testing procedures? So here, the various testing procedures included in ETL include the following. Okay, so first one is like confirm whether the information is changing accurately as per business prerequisites. Okay, and confirm that the anticipated information is stacked into the information stack room with no truncation and information strand. And third point is ensure that the ETL application reports invalid information and replaces with the default estimates. And fourth point is like ensure that the information loads at expected time allotment to improve versatility and execution. So these are the answers for the first question, that is the question about what are the testing procedures included in ETL. Okay, so these are the very important points here about regarding first question. Then second question is about explain. Okay, so explain the three level hierarchy of a typical ETL cycle. So what is that actually three level hierarchy of a typical ETL cycle? So you can see here the answer like staging layer. This layer is utilized to store the information extracted from various sources information from frameworks. Okay, so this is the first point. And second point is like a data integration layer. This layer changes the information from the organizing layer and moves the information to a database where the information is masterminded into various level gatherings, frequently called measurements, and into equalities and total realities. The blend of realities and the measurements tables in a DW framework is known as outline. Okay, so access layer, then coming to access layer, this layer is utilized by end clients to recover the information for explanatory detailing. So this is for the point about these are the points about the second question what you are observing here, and these are very important questions and just please kindly go through these answers very carefully. Okay, so then you go for third question here. uh, that the third question is about what you understand by the terms initial load and full load. Okay, so we all heard about the initial load and full load. What exactly the initial load and full load? So in ETL, the initial load is the procedure for the populating all information warehousing tables for absolute first time, while the on the other hand, full load implies that when the information is stacked for the very first time, every set of record are stacked at a stretch contingent upon its value. So it would delete all substain in the table and would reload new information. So this is what answer for this question. Okay, so you can just go through these points and you'll be coming to know what exactly the answer for this question is. Okay, So then moving to the next question, fourth question. Describe data profiling with respect to ETL system. Okay, so what exactly the data profiling with respect to ETL system? So you can see here the answer. The data profiling is an efficient examination of quality, degree, and setting of an information source to enable an ETL framework to be assembled at one outrageous and extremely spotless information source that has been all around kept up before it touches base at the information distribution center requires intelligent change and human mediation to stack legitimately into conclusive measurement and tables actually tables. Okay, so this is what the answer for this question. You can go through this answer in detail, then only you can able to understand the things properly. Okay, then coming to the next point, the next question here, you can see the answer here. Question is, when is connect and unconnected lookups used? Okay, so this is very important. So you can see here when uh, is connect and unconnected lookups used. So in the event that arrival port just one, at that point we can go for detach. More than one return port is preposterous with unconnected. In the event that more than one return port, at that point you can go should connected lookups. So this is what the answer here. On the off chance that you require dynamic reserve, that is where the information will change progressively. At that point you can go for associated query. On the off chance that your information is static, where your information won't change when the session loads, you can go for unconnected lookups. So this is what the answer for this question. So understand the answers and questions here properly. First understand the question, then only you are able to understand the answer here. So moving to next question, that is what the sixth question. Define the term round robin partitioning. So what exactly the round robin partitioning? So during round robin partitioning, the information is equitably circulated by the Informatica among very one of the segments. It is utilized when the quantity of columns in the procedure is every one of the segments is about to equivalent. So this is what the answer here. So you can go through these answers very perfectly, then only you can able to understand the concept here. So moving to seventh question, uh, the question is like, what methodology can be utilized for extraction of SAP data with the help of Informatica? So this is latest interview question here. With the power associated alternative, you separate the SAP information utilizing Informatica. And second point is introduce and design Power Connect apparatus. And third point is import the source into the source analyzer among the Informatica and SAP Power Connect go about as a gateway. The subsequent stage is produce the ABAP code for mapping. Then no one but Informatica can pull the information from SAP. So this is what the answer. And the to tap associate and import sources from outside frameworks and Power Connect is utilized. So I think you are observing the answer perfectly here. So these are the very important questions and answers of Informatica latest questions and answers here. Okay, moving to next question, that is eighth one. What is the purpose of impact analysis, that is within the ETL system? So impact analysis means what? What is the purpose of impact analysis? Okay, so you can see here, impact analysis looks at the metadata related with an article, in bracket for this situation or table or section, and figures out what is influenced by an adjustment in its structure or substance, evolving information. Arranging the articles can be break forms that are essential to appropriately stacking the information distribution center. Permitting especially appointed changes to information arranging objects is adverse to the achievement of your stack. When a table is when a table is made in the arranging region, you should play out an effective investigation before any progressions are made to it. Numerous ETL apparatus merchants give sway investigation influences. At the influences is regularly neglected. Admit the ETL item verification of idea since it is a backroom work and not by any stretch of imagination vital until the information stock room is ready for action and start the advance. Okay, so this is what the answer for this question. So understand the answer very clearly, then only you are able to the understand the concepts clearly here. So moving to next question here, about ninth question, that is what is the procedure for processing a flat file with fixed length layout. Okay, so you can see here, the question is, you just understand properly what is the procedure for processing a flat file with fixed length layout. Okay, so the layout of a flat file with fixed length ought to incorporate the record name where the field starts, its length, and its information type, typically content or number. In some cases, the end position is provided, while for cases when data is when that is not provided, you need to figure the end position of each field dependent on its starting position and length in event that is required by your ETL instrument. Okay, so in most ETL apparatuses uses, you in all likelihood need to physically enter the document format of the level record once. After the design is entered, the apparatus recalls the format and expects that equivalent format each time in interfaces with a genuine level record. On the off chance that the document design changes or the information move off its appointed positions, the ETL procedure must be modified to fall flat. When the preparing fixed length level documents, endeavor to approve that the places of information in the recorded are exact. A fast check to approve the positions is to test any date field to the ensure it is a substantial date. On the off chance that the positions are moved, the date field in all likelihood contains alpha characters or unreasonable numbers. Different fields with unmistakable spaces can be tried similarly. XML offers increasingly solid approvals capacities. On the off chance that information approval or consistency is an issue, endeavor to persuade the information supplied to convey the information to XML design. So this is what the answer here. You just go through once again through these answers, then only you are able to understand this concept clearly. Okay. So moving to next question here, about 10th question. That is 10th question is, we only cover here 10 questions. Okay, what do you understand by the term hash partitioning? Okay, so what is the hash partitioning? So this you can understand perfectly here. In hash partitioning, the Informatica server would apply to hash to work segment keys to amass the information among the segments. It is utilized to guarantee the preparing of gathering of a columns with a similar dividing key in the same segment. So this is what the concept about hash partitioning. Okay, so these are the few important interview questions here and answers about Informatica ETL testing. So what I provided here. So if you like these videos clearly, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share my videos. I made several ETL testing videos, SQL Oracle videos here in my channel. Kindly go through those videos and understand the concept clearly, and it's very helpful for you people to crack the interviews. Okay, So thanks for watching my videos, and all the best for your interviews. Take care, friends. Bye bye.